Pastor, pray for us. We didn't eat food last night. Our home is in deep trouble, Musumba. My wife quarrels a lot. You ask him, why is your wife quarreling so much? What is the reason for the quarrel? He says, even the poverty is too much. She began with the sweet potatoes which had ginnuts. And she said, we are fed up with potatoes with ginnuts in our home. Then I brought ginnuts with silver fish. She said, we are fed up with silver fish. I got angry. I told her, stop being foolish. Do you know where I get the silver fish from? Do you know what I've gone through? We fought. We fought and abused each other. One punch. This one comes with the eye swollen. You ask, why do you fight a lot? He says, Musumba, I brought Mukene and she despised me. I got angry and I slapped her. And she beat me back. Someone said, poverty.